Daily Warm-Up Reading 1. Nonfiction. Health and Wellness. Germs. What little living things can make you cough and sneeze and stay in bed for days? Germs. Germs are so small that you need a microscope to see them. They are found all over the world. They spread when someone sneezes or coughs. Then they enter our body and make us sick. Germs produce a toxin. This is like a poison. Some germs cause a fever. Others cause us to be tired. Some cause a rash. You can protect yourself from germs by washing your hands a lot. Cover your mouth when you cough. Sneeze into the crook of your arm or use a tissue. Then wash your hands again. The end. Daily Warm-Up Reading 1. Nonfiction. American History. Betsy Ross. In 1776, Americans did not have a flag. They needed one. Some people think a woman named Betsy Ross made it. She could sew. She had a shop where she stitched cloth onto chairs. George Washington gave Betsy a picture of a flag. It had 7 red stripes. These stripes meant bravery. The flag had 6 white stripes. They meant truth. The flag had a blue square. Blue meant fairness. Betsy Ross had never made a flag, but she tried hard. Finally, she made a flag to honor our country. She put in a circle of 13 stars, 1 for each colony. Now our flag has many stars, but it is a lot like the one that Betsy Ross made a long time ago. The end.